Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to technically analyze for your gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. Accurate gold signals with analysis there. You can join with. So I am in a 4-hour chart. You can see that I am marking trend line price went to the upside because of CPI data dropped USA. Then that is the yellow color line is the maximum pain level. You can see this is the support. This support has become resistance in here. That is the 1975-70 level. That is the maximum pain level is the technically. So price is continuation to the upside is you can see that this trend line is going to the upside, and I am hoping this technically picture two option is the one option is price will this is the CPI dropped, and this is the several times price touch the this trend line and go to the upside. So this week CPI has dropped, the USA inflation report dropped, so technically continue to the upside. That is the technically trend line has price has touched several times this trend line. So this is the 4-hour chart. So I am hoping my two options in technically analysis. So first option is price will break this level 1970-75 level. This is the my technically I am seeing this level is the most important level price and dropped, and again break this trend line and go to the upside. That is the wait for the retracement 1970-75 level and go to the upside. That is the your buy option is the price will retest level 1975-73 like that level. So that is the my first option for your buy opportunity. So that is the technically I am seeing, and I am go to the 1-hour chart for your another trade option in technically. So you can see this trend line has price reacted this first move and the second move. The third move will be continuing and going to the upside and again drop and break this trend line and retest and drop. That is the your sell opportunity is wait for the trend line breakout and retest. That is the 1960-65 level. You have a sell opportunity with the trend line breakout and wait for the trend line retracement. So that is the sell opportunity that is the you have. So that is the technically I am seeing this kind of technical analysis. So this is the first touch and the second touch and third touch also is their trend line. So trend line, wait for the trend line breakout and the retracement. That's the retracement is the your sell opportunity. So that is the another option for gold trading. So 1960-65 level, that is the trend line breakout and retest level is your sell opportunity. So that is the technically I am this kind of picture goal now. So 1-hour chart is I am there. So I am seeing Kosimoto sell level also is in here. This is the Kosimoto sell level. So this price has created, this is the higher and lower low, and you have a sell opportunity in 1960 sell. This is the lower low and this is the higher high. This is called, we have called QM Kosimoto sell level. So price break out the not break out this Kosimoto sell level and drop again you have a sell opportunity. If price break this QM sell level, that is the QM continuation buy option you have in this buy option. So that is the QM Kosimoto pattern is there. That's the technically another pattern. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation as the money management. Well, this is the I am seeing technically I am seeing, this is the picture now I am seeing. So thank you very much.